I have never had injectable beauty treatments before, no type of fillers, and as I'm getting older, I think that I could use a little help. One of the reasons that I chose to seek out treatment is as I'm getting older, I really am feeling less attractive with myself. The puffiness around my eyes, the frown lines. I feel like when I look in a mirror, I just feel like I look unhappy, that I just look sad. The reason I chose Injectability Clinic is my daughter recently had some fillers done on her lips, and she's worked with Ellen in the past and absolutely adores her, praises the work that she's done, and I thought, you know what, I'm actually going to treat myself and try to do something to help my self-confidence. Well, one of the things that I know about Ellen is that Ellen originally was a ICU nurse, came into the field of, I guess, beauty, and my daughter loves the work that she does, and so I thought this is probably the best place to come. So I've been married for 33 years, and he still tells me that I'm beautiful. It's my own self-confidence. You know, I want to look good for him, and I want to look good for myself. He feels if this is going to make me happy and make me feel better about myself, to go ahead and do it. As women, I think that we spend a lot of money on beauty products. I think we all feel more confident after we've had our hair done or after we've had our nails done. The facial features I have right now, I just don't feel good about myself. And I think by doing this and investing the money into this procedure, it's just going to give me more confidence. I'm a little nervous. I wouldn't say that I'm anxious. I do have butterflies. It's the first time that I've ever done anything like this. So there's a few butterflies, but I think in the long run, it's going to be worth it. I'm really looking forward to kind of seeing the before and after. I'm looking for a better tomorrow. I want to wake up tomorrow and look in the mirror and say, you really look good. I was so excited to visit Injectability and have treatments done. In a matter of 2 days, I already feel more confident. I feel happier because I feel better when I look in the mirror. And it just amazes me that just a few minor touches here and there can just change how you feel about yourself overall. I wasn't nervous coming in to do the treatment. I've heard a lot about Ellen and I just absolutely adore her. And I was really surprised. I thought I'm not going to notice a big difference. I don't think. My biggest concern was the jowl lines, and it really made me feel old. And today, looking at myself, I can't imagine a week from now how much better it's going to look. One of the things that I never noticed were my lips. I've never been a big lipstick wearer, and when I looked at my photos, my lips were really, they didn't match. And after having the injectables, I really have a shape now. And I feel confident putting lipstick on. The treatment with Ellen is fabulous. I've heard about her. My daughter knows Ellen, and my daughter has had some lip fillers, and she just raves about Ellen. And she was so patient and so kind and just reassuring, because as I said, I had a little bit of butterflies. I was a little nervous, and she just made the whole process seamless. As I'm getting older, I wasn't really happy when I looked in the mirror, and my husband always reassures me that I look good and I don't have to make any changes. You know, we've been together for 37 years. When my husband saw me after having the treatments done, of course he recognized who I was, but He recognized the younger version of myself. After being together for so long, you know, you don't always take care of yourself the way that you should. And I think with me feeling a little more confident, that kind of brings the spark back a little bit. So I'm very, very pleased. Coming to Injectability, the staff, they were so friendly, so kind, so patient. This was a first-time visit for me, and I wouldn't go anywhere else. I would definitely recommend Injectability to my friends. They treat you like your family, and I love it.